Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll meet a cat. You probably know some cats. You've probably seen them on the street, or maybe you have one at home. A charming animal. I especially like the sound it makes. Meow. Meow. Well, all right. Maybe I should leave it to the cat to demonstrate. Right here next to me, I have a lovely little cat. Hello there, cat.
Hello. Do you want me to call my mummy?
No. Actually, I just wanted to talk to you. My name is Mr. Snail, and I wanted to ask you what kind of cat you are. A house cat or a street cat?
I live on the street and I play on the street, so I must be a street cat.
And where do you sleep?
In a different place every time. Sometimes under a parked car, sometimes under a building.
And what do you eat?
Why are you asking all these questions? You're a policeman?
No. I'm telling the children about cats.
The children can see me? Hold on. Wait.
Might I ask what you are doing?
I'm cleaning my fur. I like to look good.
Wow, you have very delicate paws.
Not necessarily. I can also show my claws when I need to.
Oh! No. Put those back in again, please.
Don't worry, you're safe. I won't do anything to you. I only use them when someone tries to bother me.
Who, for instance?
I smell something.
What? Someone who wants to bother you?
No, I smell food.
Oh, be careful. That's dangerous.
Don't worry, I always land on my feet. My mother says that I'm a champion athlete. Do you want to come with me? I smell something yummy.
No, thank you. I'm not that hungry.
You're lost.
I wonder what he can smell over there. What's that? Is that a rubbish bin? Huh?
Wow, you'll never believe this. It's tuna salad. Someone threw it away. Are you sure you're not coming?
No, thank you. Please, bon appetit. Well, children, today we saw a street kitten. He seems to manage quite well, doesn't he? See you, my friends.